Something else you can do with the picture that hasn't worked out is to cut it up into lots of little strips and weave it. That's not as crazy as it sounds. Here's one that I've had a go at. Those of you who have done one of my other courses, my lavender painting courses, I messed about with a few ideas before I got to what I wanted to present to you. But this leaves me with these pieces. So apart from using them as scrap and all the rest of it, why not weave it together? And this can be quite effective. You can either do it randomly or you can think about it a little bit. Now this here was the green I wanted to create for the land. Let me show you this bit here at the front. I got these colour combination ideas and this is what I was driving at. So to weave them together, I decided I could put mostly that bit in that corner and then the rest would sort of work its way out to which is the sky area up there. So I just sliced it up with a craft knife and then I got my first selection, I'll show you, of the ones going up, and I taped them down because it's the only way that you can control it really. And then you start weaving the other ones in and you can move them about and do all sorts of things and pull them out and rearrange them. So that's another way of using some of your painting scraps. And then you can cut them up into sections. What I would suggest you do, this is what I will do with this one, is actually paste some paper on the back so that you hold it together. Now, just turning that over, I'd forgotten there was something else on the other side, so that's quite nice. So I've got two for the price of one here, so I can either choose that side or I can choose that side. I think I actually probably prefer that side, but that's just an example to show you, and you can cut that into shapes and put another little painting on top, or maybe a handwritten greeting. Another way of weaving together is to make a heart shape. This is a little card I made and I will give you the template for this. It's very simple, but you could do it with your paintings as well. Here I've actually used some wrapping paper and some plain card and I've embellished it with a little ribbon, and that's the little card arrangement I've made. So I'll give you the template for that, and I will do a painting one with one of my painting scraps. So weaving is another idea that you can try for any bits that you've got left over that just haven't made the grade for whatever reason. So I hope you find that helpful.